Welcome back to the Landlords Workshop, where smart investment meets hands-on know-how. Today, we are taking a project that's add value, storage, and style to your property. The installation of this 10 by 14 foot shed by Polar Aurora, finished in bold black with clean white trim. It's more than just a shed, it's a power move for your backyard. Out of the box, you'll find everything you need: durable alloy, steel panel, reinforced framing, roof components, ventilation grills, stackable doors, and full hardware kit. Polar Aurora designed this shed with 20% easier assembly in mind, and you'll feel that difference right away. Let's start at the base, literally, for this build. We went with a custom pressure treated wood foundation, size slightly larger than the shed itself. Why? That extra space gives us a clean working surface all the way around and helps protect the lower metal panels from pulling water, mud, and grass overgrowth. It's a small detail that makes a big difference over the years. Pressure treated lumber resists rot, termites, and moisture, ideal for any outdoor structure. Just make sure your platform is level, square, and anchored, because your shed is only as strong as what it's sitting on. We began by installing the corner wall panels. These are the keys to setting up the square shape and adding early structure to your build. Carefully attach each corner panel, align it to the base and adjacent side. They slot in neatly and are secured with screws. Be sure they are standing straight and tight. That initial alignment sets the tone of everything that follows. Now that our corners are in, it's time to fill in the walls, so the side walls. Each panel connects with the one before it and screws into the frame. Use a magnetic drill bit to keep installation smooth and avoid dropping hardware. Partner helping along would be ideal. These wall panels are more than just metal. They are coated for UV protection, weather resistance, and built to handle everything from blazing summer to icy winter. As you install each one, you'll feel the structure stiffen and come to life. Next up, the roof structure. Polar Aurora's reinforced design means fewer flex points and tighter fit. The slope roof not only looks sharp, it also shed rains like a pro. And trust me, if you ever had a flat roof on a shed, you know why this matters. Time to frame the front and hang the doors. These lockable double doors swing wide for easy access and peace of mind. Add in the ventilation panel and you have got air circulation without moisture buildup. A win-win for your stored gear. Here it is. Clean lines, tough material, and rock-solid construction. This 10 by 14 Polar Aurora shed isn't just functional, it's a statement. Whether you are a landlord maximizing outdoor storage or DIYer claiming your backward territory, this shed delivers. Have a second set of hand. Use a magnetic screwdriver bit, which saves a lot of time. Pre-sort all screws before starting. Thanks for watching the Landlord Workshop. Like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss more practical build and pro level tips. And remember, a great property is built from the ground up, one project at a time.